I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by capturing clean gameplay episodes. Instrument the environment and log state, action, reward, and done flags at a consistent rate. Once done, decide how you will represent states and actions, raw frames, stacked frames, or compact vectors, because representation affects buffer storage and sampling. Then, initialize a replay buffer with a capacity that matches training goals and memory constraints. Begin writing incoming transitions immediately so you have diverse experience before the first training pass. You now prepare the stored transitions for learning, preprocess frames or features, normalize observations, and optionally augment to increase diversity. Make sure to choose a sampling strategy that matches your algorithm, uniform sampling for stability, prioritized replay for rare events, or stratified sampling to balance classes, and implement efficient indexes. Then define minibatch size and sequence length for recurrent models. Ensure batches are shuffled and decorrelated, so gradient updates generalize beyond nearby time steps. You perform iterative training using sampled replay batches, computing loss and applying gradient updates while occasionally syncing target networks. Make sure to run regular evaluations on held out episodes and save checkpoints so you can roll back to stable policies. Monitor reward curves, loss, and value estimates. Adjust learning rate, batch size, or buffer composition if needed. If training diverges, a key troubleshooting tip: reduce the learning rate or gradient norm and verify that your reward scaling and normalization are consistent across training and evaluation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.